Hello everybody, it's me again. I am Hương. I come from Nghệ An province and now I will show you my homework. My oath. I can't stand my poor English. I can't stand my shyness and laziness. I can't stand my 10-year winter time. I can't stand being looked down upon. I can't stand being laughed at. I want to improve my situation. I want to change my life. I want to have confidence in myself. I want to build a solid foundation for my future. I want to be successful. I want to be international. I don't want to let my parents down. I don't ever want to let my country down. Most importantly, I don't want to let myself down. I want to change my life. I'm Vietnamese. I'm Vietnamese. I'm an international Vietnamese. I'm from Vietnam. I'm from great nation. I love my country. I love my people. I enjoy losing face. I enjoy speaking English. I want to communicate with the world. I want to change my life. Let's practice English crazily. Let's master English to make Vietnam stronger. Let's just do it. Right here, right now. Take action. People in my family, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a little bit my family. I have a very happy family. My dad is a great man. He has fantastic job. My mom is a wonderful woman. She has many outstanding talent. My family loves me. My family supports me in good times and bad times. They help me for many good habits. My mom and dad always tell me, if I want to succeed, I need to have a good habits. We practice speaking English together every morning. We have dinner together every night. We talk about our problems. We share our joy. We exercise together. We relax together. The atmosphere in my family is fantastic. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.